So my initial intent today was to do a demo of the application that we're working on to demonstrate conversational avatar real-time communication. It's not at the point where I would like it to where I would like to use it for like advertising the progress, but I'm happy to give you a quick teaser on this today. It's working. We just have some minor issues with the mapping of plane shapes, and the animation of the avatar doesn't look so good in the end. And I'm developing updated slides for this, but today I will take the ones that are public on the 5G Mag Hub. So conversational avatar real-time communications in 5G Mag. Let me get familiar with the. All right. So 3GPP TR 26813 documents the technical landscape necessary for effective avatar communication. And among all the requirements, a robust avatar representation format is key. The document also lists efficient method for streaming avatar animation, signaling mechanism for communication establishment, and compatibility with existing AR-capable devices from smartphone to AR glasses and HMDs. In 3GPP release 19, work focused on enabling one-to-one avatar communications to provide a robust foundation upon which more complex multi-party scenarios can be developed. So the scope of the reference software development at the moment is really on enabling this one-to-one avatar communication. Um, um, as a representation format for the avatar media, 3GPP has focused and selected the MPEG ARF avatar representation format, which is standardized in ISO 23090-39. It defines a standard for interoperable storage, carriage, and animation of humanoid 3D avatars. It's designed for interoperability, extensibility, and portability. And as such, it provides a robust solution for the needs of conversational avatar communication. The key features are that it normalizes avatar assets in animation, geometric models, skeletal structures, blend shapes for facial expressions across devices and engines. Um, it supports multiple assets, LODs, so level of details, and proprietary animation via mappings. And actually, an important feature is security and authentication options to support avatar ownership with asset encryption. And as I mentioned earlier in the discussion today, it is also standardized for integration in MPEG ISIN description. So the ARF format is referred to in 3GPP specification as a base avatar. It at the core, it's a container. It can come in two different containers, so, in ISO BMFF or in zipped directory format, which has the extension ARFZ in our case. Uh, so the container allows partial access to a subset of the base avatar's components based on factors such as desired LOD, target bitrate, or user experience. The ARF document is the JSON document, and it's like the entry point for the avatar. And from there, it describes the avatar structure, the different components, where to find them, and provides all the metadata to support identification metadata such as age or male, female, this type of metadata. But also metadata for encryption and content integrity. So I think I'm not emphasizing here why this is important in the slide, but you can think that if you are showing your avatar for communication, you may want to ensure that it won't be tampered with, it won't be reused freely, just based on the communication that you're having. So along with the base avatar format itself, there is this this need for an animation stream format, and this comes through the avatar animation units that are basically like network allocation units or a piece of or piece of avatar animation that are streamed in chunks. There are several types of AAU, config, blend shapes, joint, landmarks, and actually more. More types of animation frameworks. These are the only ones that are implemented right now. Facial animation, so it uses weighted blend shapes. So basically, on the right, you can see a neutral face and smile blend shape. So when you apply 50% to this smile blend shape, then you get a mild smile effect. So that's the concept of the weighted blend shapes, and there are several blend shapes for several features of the face that allow to carry the expressions and apply them to the avatar's face. And then we have a body hand animation, which uses linear blend scheme and deforms the mesh geometry by blending weighted rigid transformations. So basically modifying skeleton to animate the avatar, to put it simply. So TS 26264, the specification details the call flow to implement real-time avatar-based AR communication. The specification describes the implementation in an IMS-based AR real-time communication. But in our development, we are not targeting an IMS development deployment. We are working toward an implementation that is capable of running on WebRTC stacks, so under 5G RTC architecture. And that's something I will be developing maybe in our internal calls in the future. So there are three main deployment scenarios in this specification for conversational avatar call. Receiver driven, so that's when we send avatar animation stream formats data, and the receiver animates the avatar. The sender based, in that case, we animate the avatar locally, and we send a final render stream to the receiver. So basically, just sending a video of the avatar. And the network-based scenario, which leverages media functions. based animation and rendering within the network to support devices that may not have the uh, computational power to generate avatar animation units. So in all these scenarios, a base avatar repository element is responsible for secure storage and management of users' avatars data. So the base avatar repository supplies the ARF, the base avatar, to the remote base avatar to the user equipment. So this is a very simplified view of what's going on, and it's focused on the RAF format. I'm working on providing more details on the avatar call flow itself. But So we download the avatar, and on the other hand, Alice is tracking, generating plane shape joints and sending animation, avatar animation units, which Bob receives and decodes and uses to animate the avatar that he got from the base avatar repository. There is actually a whole phase of negotiation that happens before that, and that I'm not detailing here, that makes sure that basically Bob is taking base avatar that is compatible with what Alice will be sending in terms of animation framework. So the ongoing development, which I would like to demo today, is focused on demonstrating one-to-one avatar communication using the ARF format and enabling the receiver-centric scenarios. So the two other sender-centric and network-centric scenarios are not addressed at the moment. Although sender-centric should be quite straightforward. So the development currently is focused on an avatar real-time call application, actually more like a framework, and an application on top of it, implemented in the Unity 3D engine. It leverages the ARF standards reference software library for parsing ARF container, encoding and decoding animation streams. It's not mentioned here, but it actually should. It uses the Unity ARF package that is developed by and maintained on GitHub by Interdigital, and that wraps this ARF reference software library. And it uses WebRTC for voice and data channel. And also missing here is the use of a swap server to establish the WebRTC communication. So I will be updating the slide. I am updating the slide, but I will be updating them with more information related to the call flow itself and the GitHub repositories. So links, and maybe I can just show you the state of the implementation at this point. If I can end the slideshow. All right. I have a very bad internet connection here, so I'm running. I recorded the demo before. So first we start the swap server that is used for negotiating the call and establishing the peer-to-peer communication using WebRTC. Launch the first client. So I hope email won't be mad at me for using his face on this one. Uh, and for local testing, we can disable for one of the peer tracking to avoid. All right, this is where we are. So, like I said, we still have some issues with properly mapping the blend shape to the reference content that we have. And was hoping to fix this by today, but it's not there yet. I'm gonna stop sharing now, and I welcome your questions.